Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to make money on Behance.net. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there are a few different ways how to make money using Behance, either directly or by using the platform to extract paid opportunities. So the first way is to get freelance clients through Behance. So Behance is one of the top places clients look for designers, illustrators, animators, UI, UX creators, and more. Now to get work, you want to go ahead and upload strong, polished projects. Use relevant keywords and tags for those projects. For example, branding, UI design, illustration. Write clear project descriptions. Share process shots and mock-ups to show skill, and keep your portfolio active and updated. Many creatives get messages directly from clients through the Behance's messaging system. Now, another way how to make money on this platform is to use the Hire Me button. So after you've created an account and you've got your portfolio of your projects uploaded, etc., we need to go ahead and turn a setting on that's going to say available for freelance work. Now, to get to that setting, you want to go ahead and click on your profile. Then from here, it's going to say an option, edit my availability. Then it will say add a hire button to let visitors know that you're looking for new opportunities. So if you want freelance projects, go ahead and enable that. And then it will say how would you like to be paid. You can connect PayPal, Stripe. When are you available? Now, within the next few days, months, etc. You can set your price. Also, we can enable full-time job. I'm willing to relocate. I'm looking for remote opportunities. And you can also update your work experience, and then click onto done. This is another great way to find jobs. Now you can also link Behance to Fiverr, Upwork, Dribble, or your personal website or store, so clients checking your Behance can click through to hire or buy from you as well. Another thing we can do is apply for jobs using Adobe Talent. This is built into Behance. So on the far right hand corner, we've got Adobe. So this is Adobe Talent. So Behance users get access to Adobe Talent, a job board with freelance and full-time opportunities posted by companies worldwide. You can apply using your Behance portfolio directly, which is pretty sweet that they allow that.